Hey there, Mike Grady here from Business Fuel Tools. And today, the topic of today's video is what is a sales funnel? Been getting a lot of questions on the forums that we participate in, and also we're getting a lot of questions from our brand new affiliates is what actually is a sales funnel. So I wanted to go through and break it down in theory, in practice of how it is structured, show some effective sales funnel landing pages, and then what are the actual numbers of how does this work and why is it beneficial for our business. So the process is we have a product and we want to create awareness in the marketplace. And then once somebody's aware of it, to generate interest for that prospective customer. And then once we have that prospective customer's interest, then we want them to make a decision and then take action on that decision. And once they take action, then we see the benefits of the sales funnel process. So the structure, first we have a landing page. And the landing page, the only thing we're trying to do is get an email address. So we want to promise that if they give us their email address, we'll give them a valuable piece of information that they like that doesn't cost very much. Maybe it's free, maybe it's $1, that sort of thing. But we want to make it very valuable so people will trade us their email address because they know that we're going to contact them in the future. Once we have that email address, then we want to take them to a thank you page that might have an offer on it. So in other words, we promised them something for their email, and then we send them to a thank you page and they say, thank you very much, here's the thing you wanted, but by the way, would you like to actually take a look at this thing that might make your life better or solve your problem? And then from that, they can go to an order page to actually purchase that. And then what we always want to do is on the order page to increase our per ticket value is we give them the product that they want, but then ask them if they want to bump on another product that will help the one that they're buying. That's called an order bump. And what we've seen through split testing is 20 to 30% of the people will actually take the order bump if offered. Then once they complete the order, then they can be taken to an upsell page for an additional product that would help them out with the product they just purchased. And then of course, if they take that, we see about 30 to 35% of the people actually take an upsell. But once they've taken it, then you can take them to a thank you page. Now, let's say that somebody didn't take the upsell. Well, instead of letting them go, let's take them to a downsell page. So maybe they're ready to buy, but they're not wanting to spend that much money. So we take them to an offer that might be more of the same, but a steeper discount, that sort of thing. And what we've seen is that 15 to 20% of the people will actually take a downsell in addition to their offer if we just make that offer to them. And of course, then we can take them to a thank you page. So now, what about the 95% of people that didn't buy the first time they came through? Because we all know that 95% of the traffic that comes to our landing pages doesn't actually take a decision because they've got to go through their buying cycle. So what do we do with the 95% of people that don't buy our product when they first see it? Well, that's why we collected the email so that we can put them into an email smart list, and then we can now send them messages via email for the next day, 2 or 3, and an automated system, and then make that offer to come back and buy that product. So maybe they weren't ready to buy initially, but you can give them additional information over the next couple of days that might persuade them to buy your product. But what if they don't buy the product? Well, they're not gone. Then we can make them a different offer and then send them a series of other emails that might be related to the product that they didn't buy, or might be something completely different. Well, what if they don't buy that product? Well, then we can send them a different offer. Because they're in our email list, we now have the ability to send them offers whenever we want. And the thing is, if you don't get too spammy where they're going to opt out of your list, if you provide them value, they'll stay on your list forever. So the process goes, you can actually send out different offers with an automated system so that you can provide value to these people. And of course, that's how we generate revenues for our business. So the key thing is the landing page. So let's take a look at the structure of a great landing page. First is we want to have a hook, something to get people's attention. And then we want to tell them a story is why our product is going to be good for the problem that they came to our website for. And of course, then we want to make an offer. So really, all of business really boils down to these 3 simple rules. Learn how to get somebody's attention, tell them a story that builds belief, emotion, and trust, and then sell them something they want that's absolutely irresistible to them. So again, let's take a look at some really good examples of great landing pages. So here we have one right here, the 10-minute cash system. The hook, discover how to make real money online in 10 minutes. That grabs your attention. Then the story, brand new from #1 international best-selling author, Yuan Chia. And then what's the offer? Enter your email address to learn how to get the actual system. If we take a look over here at Don't Let Anything Dull Your Sparkle. Obviously an ebook. So what's the offer? The free ebook from Dorian Virtue. So this is another document that she's put out, another book that she's put out. The story. You'll discover why you're addicted to drama, how your past traumas led to a high drama, stress-filled life, and how to ultimately break free from these patterns and live a life that reflects your divine sparkle. So again, there's the story where we're talking about here's a problem, here's your story, and what you're going to learn and what you're going to get at the end. And of course, the offer is enter your email address to receive the free ebook, Don't Let Anything Dull Your Sparkle. And of course, here's one from How to Flip Houses. The hook, a secret confession. And of course, this is illustrated with an image of a video with a play button that can actually be played. And then the story is I've discovered a loophole in the $787 billion stimulus bill that allows me to flip 10 to 15 REO bank-owned foreclosure properties every single month. And if you're interested in real estate, that would get your attention and you would want to learn more. So what's the offer? Enter your email address to receive the free digital video that he references above on how to flip houses from your home. So let's look at the actual numbers. Let's say that 200 people put their email address into your landing page. Then 5% of those people decided to buy right away. And let's say your product was $27. Well, if you had 5% of the people buy, of the 200 people that came, you probably spent $200 to $300 on ads getting traffic to your website. So you actually made $270 from the 5% of the people that bought first time. Of those 10 people that bought your initial product, well, they're in a buying mood, so why not make them an additional offer? So let's say you've got another more extensive product, maybe a course that you can sell for $297. So let's say that of the 10 people that bought your initial product, now they're going to buy, one person will actually buy your program for $297. So here are the numbers. You spent $300 on advertising to get people to your landing page. You made 10 sales at $27 and one sale at $297 for a total of $567. So now you're already profitable by over $267. And you now have collected 200 email addresses that you can now market to for free. Are you seeing how incredible the sales funnel process is? And that is the beauty of a sales funnel. And that's why we use them. Now, what is the best program that we've used? And we've tested lots of different programs, from hard coding websites to WordPress and a lot of different software programs. But the best program that we found to put together all the different pieces you need to create effective sales funnels is ClickFunnels. So there's a link below. ClickFunnels has a 14-day free trial. Go ahead and click the link below and you can actually go and start your 14-day free trial. Now, one of the things we've discovered is that it's a little bit of a startup to actually learn any software program. ClickFunnels is no different. So what we've done is we've put together 13 step-by-step videos of how to start your ClickFunnels quickly. So in your free 14-day trial, going through our videos, which is going to take you about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours, go through all the videos, but you'll then be able to hit the ground running with ClickFunnels and actually get set up in the first 24 hours. So now you've got 13 days to really test out your landing page, your entire sales process, and start generating some revenues before your free trial ends. So again, click the link below and we'll take you to our page that'll actually show you some examples of our training that you can see before you start your ClickFunnels trial. Hopefully this video is helpful. Come back, subscribe. We create videos like this every single month on how to use ClickFunnels, how to use different software programs that we use to grow our business. And don't forget to hit the bell button so every time we create a new video, you'll be notified and you can go back and watch it. So again, hopefully that was helpful. That's how you create effective sales funnels to generate revenues. And the most important thing for your business is to create that email list. So again, hopefully this was helpful. We'll talk to you soon.